Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Faisal Sattar. My identity number is ME13313, and we were assigned a project of machine control system by our course teacher Adil Arif. So the objective of this project is to study the research paper. The title of the research paper is New Structure of Sliding Mode Control for Variable Speed Wind Turbine. So our task is just to read the research paper and explain what you understand from this research paper. So basically this research paper is based only on wind turbine, how to get the maximum power from the wind. So my task in this project is just the explanation of process flow diagram. Before going to the process flow diagram, I just want to explain the operation and the relation between the power and the wind speed. So once the wind strike the wind turbine's blade, the relation between the wind speed and the power of the wind turbine is non-linear and non-homogeneity. So that's why we cannot extract maximum power at maximum speed. So to achieve the maximum power at maximum wind speed, we need a controller that will control and will give us an output at maximum. So we have different type of control system in machine control system course, in machine control system field, robust control system and sliding mode control system. So we selected the sliding mode control system because it is only implement on the non-linear systems. So the process flow says when the wind speed strike the wind turbine generator, it will give us a power. So then there is a feedback after the wind turbine, the non-linear sliding mode control, and the feedback at the MPPT block. This is the graph between generator speed and external power. So the graph will study the relation between the wind power and the generator. Based on this study, to make it linear, it will set the signal to the pitch control block as well as the non-linear sliding mode control system. So after sending the signal there, the control system will transform the signal from non-linear to the linear mode. Then it send the signal to the wind turbine, and after that we will extract more power from the wind speed. Thank you.